Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to another day of 20 days of Christmas cut files with Confessions of a Paper Addict. I am putting this one up late, of course, but today's prompt is music song. So I have this fa la 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 Christmas fa la 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 ornaments. It's a freebie for this month for during the hop. So make sure you go check out the Facebook group and grab it. This is a good example of, so say you cut out a cut file from a pattern paper and you use the outside, perfect. Then you also cut something else on the inside and you have all these little pieces left. This is the perfect example of don't necessarily, I'm not telling you to hoard every little scrap, but if you've got a lot of layouts that you're doing that are going to kind of coordinate or are all Christmas or something, or you're working on a mini collection or something and you want to use up that paper, don't throw all those little pieces away. I was able to back these letters with the random leftovers from cutting out multiple cut files from this one paper, and I had enough chunks not to back any photos or anything like that, but enough to back the letters of these ornaments, which was perfect. I have two photos of my son drumming on Christmas Eve, so that was why I decided to do the fa la la ornaments and use this for this prompt. I've backed the tops of these ornaments with wood grain. I'm still debating if I want to cut the insides of the A out and the insides of those out. Looking at it laying down now, I think I might. But what I have done is I figured out my placement. I have lightly traced with pencil around where each ornament is, and we're just going to do mixed media in those areas to make my ornaments. Now, another layout I did, or am doing, I should say, with this collection. Oh no, it's not with this collection, it's a different collection. But another ornament I did, the layout I did yesterday with this same collection, I used a bunch of just stressed oxides and put them down. I think I'm going to, I've got some very similar colors in this collection, and since actually not a lot of embellishments are on here yet besides, or other patterns besides the red, we can kind of take some liberty and do whatever green colors we want. So I'm going to do greens and golds. I think I'm going to use one of my new mica sprays, mica mists, maybe. I might do the tarnished brass and do some splatters after, but I just, and as well as this, but I want to take these greens, shimmers. I've got Lucky 4-leaf clover, keep palm, and ocean water. Three very different shades, but I want my ornaments to be shiny and shimmery. So I think we're going to try to spritz in circles, and then I'm going to go over, I have Rustic Wilderness and Peeled Paint Oxides. We'll do some stenciling on them as well, just to give them just another little bit of extra something. So my letters are red with white snowflakes, so I think I'm going to try to find my snowflake stencil. It is. And we're going to stencil snowflakes after we do the spritzing. So we'll see how this goes. I've never done oxides on top of shimmers, so I'm not really sure how it's going to turn out. So right now, we'll just focus on doing the spritzing. I want to keep it controlled. So I think I will stick it in my box because I don't want it to go on to everything. And we're going to just spritz in those circles. So I'm going to start with 4-leaf clover. Okay, so far so good. And we're going to do keep palm. And then we're going to do this ocean water. Okay, do a little bit more. Oops. This one got a little crazy. Wipe it up a tiny bit. I want it to look a little spritzed though. I'm really liking this. Okay. So we're gonna let that dry, and then we're gonna stencil snowflakes over. All right, I've trimmed out the outsides, and look at this gorgeousness. I really like the way that's turning out so far. So let's add some snowflakes, and we'll see how that looks. I just have this awesome snowflake stencil, and we're gonna take, I've got some peeled paint and some rustic wilderness. So those are the two colors we're gonna use. Just going to oh, I love it. Okay, what's that look like with the cut file on top? Oh, that's awesome. That is awesome. Okay. That turned out way better than I thought. All right, let's do some mica mist. Awesome. All right, this time I can use, I've got these labels that I got in a haul recently. We'll do "'Tis the Season," and they're right in here. Christmas Eve 2015. Use all the puffies. Tiny little flowers. Bow on that one. jingle bell on this one. And then it looks like we need a tiny little flower because I added something, so I need like one more little. There you go. Okay. I think that is it. I think I can call it quits on this one. This is day 12 music song. So I've got Fa La 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 and my son jamming to some drums. And I love the way my little ornaments turned out with my cut files. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you check out everybody else who's playing down below. And make sure you check out the Facebook group as well for all the stuff that's going on there. I appreciate you. Have a good day. And we'll see you next time.